Hi, I'm Mike Stenberg. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for LGM Pharma. I'm here at CPHI North America, experiencing what is turning out to be an excellent show. A lot of great vendors here, a lot of excitement on the floor, and we're really excited from an LGM standpoint to be here as well. We're showcasing three of our core services. We're talking about our ability to source APIs. We have a very extensive network of manufacturers that we work with from around the world to find APIs. We also provide excellent logistical support and supply chain support, because often the trick is not just finding the API. The trick is figuring out how to get that API from wherever we found it in the world to the US and to the facility that's going to use it from an R&D standpoint. These days, there are more and more challenges around finding cost-effective APIs. But for us, the even bigger challenge, and the thing that's more important, is to find a manufacturer that's robust, that's quality-oriented, that has been audited, has been inspected, and that we can turn to our clients and with confidence say, hey, these guys know what they're doing. They are very robust from a quality standpoint. They've been around, they will be around, and there is a limited risk or no risk from a quality standpoint. The other thing that we're highlighting here are our CDMO services. So LGM has the capability of providing full service from pre-formulation, formulation, all the way through commercial manufacturing. That includes everything from formulating a product for somebody, developing and validating the analytical methods, possibly supplying them with clinical trial materials, as well as oftentimes even pre-IND materials for different kinds of testing when you don't actually even need a GMP product. So we have that expertise to take you all the way from an idea and an API through process validation batches, scale up, and then ongoing commercial manufacturing. We do that for a variety of dosage forms, oral solid dose, as well as liquids and semi-solids, to include things like topicals, oral solutions, oral liquids like cough and cold medications. We have some very innovative kinds of oral solid dosage that we do, like oral disintegrating tablets. Different kind of dosage form really plays nicely in the 505(b)(2) market, where people are trying to extend a product line. We also are doing suppositories out of our Texas facility. So again, a very unique and somewhat novel dosage form, especially for the United States. We have a significant experience and expertise in that particular area. So that's, just a smattering of what we're doing in our CDMO world. But when you put that together with our ability to source an API and then formulate a product around that API and take it all the way to the commercial market, it means that we really, truly can take you from soup to nuts, all the way. We work in all the regulatory classifications, whether that's cosmetic, OTC, 505(b)(2s, NDAs, generics. We have experience in all those areas, and in fact, we have written complete submissions and done them on behalf of our clients. So we have that expertise from a regulatory standpoint too. And then finally, we're talking a lot about a new service. It's new, I think, to the market. It's not new to us at LGM, in that it's analytical testing services. So we've been doing this for a couple of years, and we're rolling it out to the world in a big way this year. We found that there are in the marketplace a lot of folks, a lot of companies, pharmaceutical companies, who don't have access to analytical testing that provides reasonable turnarounds at a reasonable price. If you're not a large pharmaceutical company, it's a market that we started helping some of our clients with, and it's quickly grown into a standalone business. So it's unique. A lot of CDMOs will provide you with analytical testing services. We certainly do. Our CDMO certainly did that. But very few of them will offer those analytical testing services on a standalone basis. And that's what's unique about this new service offering. So if folks are looking just for analytical testing, we can do that as well. And we are doing that. We're finding a very significant appetite for that particular service. So we're very excited about offering that and rolling that out to the marketplace as a whole. So we put together all those offerings, and we find ourselves at a show like CPHI fairly busy, right? Because somebody's here talking about API sourcing, or they're talking about analytical testing services needs, or they're talking about CDMO needs. And so with one company having the ability to provide all of that, it means there's a lot of excitement in the marketplace. We found this to be an excellent show for us this year. We're connecting both with old friends and with new friends.